Well, University of Idaho has been trying to buy the University of Phoenix for some time now, but things like lawsuits keep getting in the way. Idaho's Attorney General, Raul Labrador, filed one last June against the State Board of Education, who approved the $550 million purchase. Labrador claimed at the time the State Board of Education violated the open meetings law during the proceedings leading up to the approval of the acquisition. But today, well, a judge in Idaho's 4th District Court dismissed Labrador's lawsuit. It actually happened yesterday, agreeing the school believed they were competing with another school trying to buy the University of Phoenix, which validated their closed-door meetings. State Board President Dr. Linda Clark had this to say about the ruling. It is alarming to get sued by your own lawyer, your own Attorney General, that would be Labrador, for listening to the advice of his own staff. The Attorney General's lawsuit has taken an extraordinary amount of time and resources over the last 7 months. Regardless, we are pleased the court recognized the State Board followed the law. But as you can imagine, Labrador didn't quite agree with the judge, saying there were a lot of questions over the transaction and the University of Phoenix itself.
This was a $700 million transaction that has been done without input from the public, without input from the elected officials who represent the people of Idaho. And I think it's important that decisions like these are made openly. Actual purchase could cost taxpayers millions and millions and millions of dollars. And to make sure that it's scrutinized correctly, it's worth every penny that we have spent.
Well, Dr. Clark went on to say, we are very disciplined about following the requirements established under Idaho's open meeting law for executive sessions. Judge Scott stated in his opinion, the Board of Regents of the University of Idaho reasonably believed it was in competition with other public agencies to acquire the University of Phoenix. They were coming from other states. Labrador said they're looking at their options, but one might be to appeal this decision to the Supreme Court.